Hello, beautiful beginners. Today, I just want to play. I'm loving these fall colors and I just want to play. I want to throw some paint on my paper. So that's what I'm going to do today. What I'm going to do first is just take, I'm loving this deep red color. It's in your Paul Rubens palette. It's actually this one right here. And I just put the tube in here. So I'm just going to dip my brush, which by the way, I'm using my Princeton brush, 140-pound cold pressed paper. I've got my water and my rinse. And let's just go. So I don't even know what I'm going to do here, guys. So this could be a real hot mess. It could be absolutely beautiful. I'm going to start by just, like I said, honestly, throwing some water on here with a little bit of pigment in it. And then real quickly before that dries, I'm going to add, you know what, I've never even done this. Let's see if we can add some of our metallics in there. And let's just see what happens. And then I'll just take some of my water, wash, rinse my brush, tap it off a bit, and let's just start doing flower shapes. So point, press, point, press. This is kind of my go-to shape these days, it seems. Point, press. Just like that. Maybe we make this one a double layer. So I'm just going to add in. Now that might have just been a mistake, but you know what, you guys? I don't even care. So there's one giant flower, and look at how the gold is mixing in. I'm going to go ahead and tap in. Ooh, look at that. So this is just some wet and wet. How about if we grab some, I want a little bit more of that gold because look how pretty that is in there. And this is one thing I do love about the MABs is that gold does spread quite well. I'm going to wash out some of that red. And let's just add a little bit more of that just to the tips. There we go. And then how about a couple little buds? Now this may be already drying. Maybe a bud over here. And I'm holding higher up on my brush than I usually do because I wanted this to be really loose and random. I think I'll go in and add just a little bit more red. Look how fun. I really encourage you to do this. Like, give yourself permission just to play and see what happens. If it turns out to be a hot mess, who cares, right? And then let's go in with our, let's use an olive green. So I'm going into my palette here. I'm going to flip around my giant palette, which I love. Grab a little bit of that. And let's create some of those beautiful stems. Maybe this one's coming out this way. I love making my stems really wind around and bend like that. Look how fun this is. And I had no plan, you guys. This literally came out of nowhere. I can't encourage this enough because number one, it feels good to kind of play and just let yourself do what you want to do. But look how pretty. I mean, honestly, you're going to have those, as Bob Ross says, happy little accidents. Like that. And look at that. So much fun. So I encourage you to give this a try. Throw some paint on there. Experiment with your different colors. and just have some fun and see what comes up for you. I'd love to see what you guys create. And there you go. Look how pretty. That would be a beautiful card. I'm here to remind you, you're an artist. Let that inner artist come out. You can do this. So much fun. No perfection. Just in a mode of discovery. And I will be right here. I love our little group. And share your paintings over on Patreon. I have a free membership. I've got lots of mini series over there. And the best thing, we can share our fun little happy accidents and creations. And honest, you guys are an artist, every single one of you. That's why you're here. I love you all. And let's keep playing.